much better.
Hi, Angie.
Hi.
Doris.
Yes.
Would you want to say something for the video?
Sure. How's my hair?
Yeah, beautiful.
Congratulations, you two. I wish you all the love in the world. Today marks the start of your lifelong journey together. Cherish it. Cherish each other.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I know, right? And then, when you're at each other's throats, quarreling about that woman he may or may not have been with, or when you're trying to appease that crying child while your dinner is burning on the stove, you are going to look back on this day as the happiest moment of your life. So you better enjoy it while it lasts. Cheers!
Well said.